Oh, you want something else?
So
Not anymore. I like the food.
we are at Walnut Grove, and I'm eating. These are French toast dunkers, and it looks so pretty.
They charge for everything.
And then that
Even if you ask for sauce, they charge for everything.
is food. Okay, so this is round 2. This is it's a pulled pork taco. Do you like her eyebrows today? I think that the right one looks there's less of a defined, like, yeah, like something towards the somewhere towards the end.
It's less defined.
Like it's not the same as the other one.
Yeah, because this one is emptier towards the end.
Oh.
This one has more hair in here. And for
Okay.
some reason, this one reaches until here, and then this one stops here.
Eyebrow
Like I
math.
say, like cousins, not sisters.
Welcome to the wild.
This is probably the most confusing place I have ever and will ever live in. Like, literally all the buildings are the same building, but like in a different color. It makes no sense to me. Don't worry though, I've already marked each and every plant, so I always know which way to go. Relax. It's not a church group, they're just school kids. So it's been a while. I don't have any perfectly good reason as to why I haven't been posting, but basically the day I am filming this, it's what, I think it's the 3rd of October now. I'm in Angola and I've been here for about 2 months right now. I left in the beginning of September, and yeah, but basically I've been kind of MIA, I would say, for the past 3 or 4 months. I think I posted a video around July, and then after that it's just been, you know, very roughly what happened was that I came to Angola in June, and then I went back to SA in July, and then I came back here in September. So yeah, and I've been here since then. You know, I don't know what the future holds, so that's quite exciting, which is weird because I would find it like at first it was like very scary. At the beginning of the year when I didn't know what was going to happen in the future, it was extremely scary, and now I'm here and I'm excited for this future. So nothing very exciting has happened. I've been to quite a few weddings since I've been here, and I think maybe I have another wedding this weekend which I am going to vlog. I think maybe you'll probably only see my outfit, I don't know, but yeah, we have that wedding. But otherwise nothing really exciting, like super exciting, has happened. I usually, how do I spend my days? I usually just go visit family. We visited my grandmother. I ate a massive burger, this one. You know, nothing, it's been really chilled. I don't do much while I'm here. I don't go out a lot. I don't speak to too many people. I speak to my family a lot. I can even go as far as saying that probably 99.9% of the interactions, like face-to-face interactions that I have while I'm here, are with family. That's just the basic rundown on what's been happening the past few months. Nothing much has happened at all, really. But anyway, I have the wedding. I have the wedding on Saturday. Today's the 3rd. I have the wedding on the 5th, which is Saturday, and I'm excited, and I will see you guys at the wedding.
Sexy buena BPM, Micaela Michelle.
Hey guys, so on Saturday I went to the wedding that I was telling you guys about, and then on Sunday we had the continuation of the whole wedding. I don't know if people in other countries do this, but basically it's just us or the same people who went to the wedding reception just the next day at the person's house, just finishing all the food, all the leftovers, all the drinks, you know, just basically having a continuation to the whole party. I still find the concept of the whole thing a bit weird because all the weddings here finish at like 6 a.m. so like I don't know. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna see you guys next time.